Hello guys, this is Silver here again. Welcome back to my channel guys. Welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys another powerful boom and crash strategy. And with this strategy, you are sure to make money on daily basis guys. If you will be able to observe and keep to the conditions and rules I'm going to give to you regarding this strategy, I'm sure you are going to be making money on a daily basis with this strategy. So guys, without wasting much time, let's just go straight to the point. Let me just show you how the strategy works because I don't want to waste much time in the video, okay? So the first thing we are going to be observing as our condition is to you need to wait for the awesome oscillator, this red and blue line here, okay? Sorry, red and green. You need to get to the overbought level here, okay? Because we are on bone, okay? As you can see, this is a bone synthetic index right here. Okay, so whenever you are on bone, okay, you need to wait for the awesome oscillator to get to the overbought level here, and then whenever you are on crash, okay, you need to allow it to get to the oversold level here in order to take an entry. Okay, now that's just the first conditions. Okay, that's just the first thing you need to observe before taking an entry. Okay, that's just the first criteria. Okay, I didn't say that whenever it get there you should just go in for buy or sell. Okay, now that's the first condition. Now the second thing to observe, okay, the second thing to observe is that you need to wait to see a crossing here. Okay, now you see that it has gotten to the overbought level right here. Now you need to wait for another thing again. Okay, let me just bring out these tools quickly. Now you need to wait for a crossing. Now you see the way this thing cross here, okay, and you need to see it happening. Once you start seeing the awesome oscillator facing down like this, okay, once you start seeing it facing down, now you observe this in the indicator window 1, then you look at your main chart here, and then you see that the green line is crossing the red line over here. You see that whenever the green moving average right here is crossing the red line here on the screen, then you just go in for your trade. Okay, you go in for 4 candles guys. Just take 4 candles and then you are out. Okay, as you can see, you wait for this one first to touch the 85 level here. That's when you know that it's a strong level for you to buy. You are in a zone, a very strong support and resistance zone. Okay, then what you need to do now is to wait for the crossing to happen. And once you see the crossing happening here guys, you look at the screen and then you see the same thing happening here. Okay, once you see the same thing happening, the crossing also happening on the screen, okay, then you go in for your 4 candles, and after that 4 candles you have to exit the market. Okay, take your profit and then wait for the next opportunity to present itself. Okay, as you can see right here, this is another opportunity. You can see it got to the overbought level. Okay, you wait patiently for the crossing to occur, then you see the crossing happening right here. Then after the crossing, you also see that this one is also crossing. Okay, then you go in for your 4 candles. Okay, now there's something I want to point out for you guys. Okay, there's something I want to point out for you guys. Now you see right here, let me quickly delete this. Now you see this is the crossing that will first of all happen. This the awesome oscillator here, when you see the crossing happening, it will also be happening on the main chart. Okay, now but this green line right here, it won't cross immediately with them. Okay, so you just wait closely, you observe. Once you see the green line, once immediately you see the green line, that you see that the green line have crossed. Okay, immediately that you see that the green line has crossed, okay, that is when you go in. Okay, that is when you go in. Just make sure you take note of the step. Okay, then after the crossing, then you take your entry. Okay, so that is how simple it is. That is how simple the strategy is. Okay, it's a simple strategy, but it has powerful results. Okay, you're going to make money with this strategy guys. You're going to make a lot of money with this strategy, trust me. Once you stick to the condition and observe it, you are sure to make money guys. You are sure to make money. you are sure to make money. And for those of you who would like to make your analysis to know the trend first before taking an entry, now you go to the 15-minute time frame or the 30-minute time frame. Okay, but I prefer using the 15-minute time frame. Okay, so once you go to the 15-minute time frame, there are some few things you need to observe first before you take an entry. So I'll just make it simple. Now, how do you know you are in a downtrend or an uptrend? Now you need to observe this red and blue candles. Those are the moving averages that will be telling you when you are in an uptrend or a downtrend. So let me just use this place right here and show you. Once you see that this green moving average is below the red, okay, that is showing that you are in a downtrend. And then once you see it cross above, okay, that is showing that you are now in an uptrend. Okay, so once you see it crossing above, once you see it cross above here like this, once it's above, then you go to your 1 minute time frame, and then you look for buy trades only. Okay, then once you see it below the red moving average, then you go to your 1 minute time frame, and then you look for selling trades only. Okay, look for selling opportunities only. Now since this is boom, okay, since this is boom, we are going to be looking for selling trades only. Okay, so we are going to be trading whenever we see the green line below the red. Okay, this is the only time we are going to be trading. And then on crash, we are going to be trading when, let me just go to crash. So on crash, we are going to be trading only when we see the green line above like this. Okay, then once you see it like this, okay, once you see it like this, you go to your 1 minute time frame. Let me just mark this place so that I know what you are talking about. Okay, and once you see it like this, you go to your 1 minute time frame. Let's go to where I mark so that I'll see how it is from that place. Okay, so this is where I mark. So once you see that crossing has happened on the 15-minute time frame, now we come to the 1 minute time frame. Then we start looking for buying trades only. Okay, we start looking for buying opportunity. Then once you see this happening here, you can see there was a spike, and you see that the awesome oscillator is touching the 15 level. Okay, then you wait for the crossing to occur. Now you see the crossing is happening right here. Okay, the crossing happened right here. Then you observe the main screen, the main chart. You see the crossing happening here too. Then this is a go for you guys. This is a go for you. You just buy immediately, and then you pick 4 candles. Okay, you don't need to be greedy, guys. You don't need to be greedy. You pick 4 to 5 candles only. Okay, just pick 4 to 5 candles, and then you are done. Okay, just pick 4 candles, you are done. You wait for the next opportunity to present itself. Okay, and you see another opportunity right here, another opportunity right here. You wait for the crossing, you pick 4 candles. Okay, you wait for another opportunity. This is another one right here. You wait, and then you pick 4 candles. Okay, so you see that is how simple it is, guys. You make your analysis, you wait for the crossing to happen in the 15-minute time frame, you come down to your 1 minute time frame, and then you start picking trades. Okay, you start picking entries. Okay, then that's how it is. That's how simple it is. Okay, you can decide to, let's say, use only the moving average. Okay, if you understand the strategy very well, you can decide to use only the moving average. But one thing about using only the moving average is that for the beginners, you won't know when it has gotten to a strong sell or a strong buy for you to make your trading decisions. Okay, you won't know. So that's why I add the awesome oscillator, so that it will show you our strong sell and our strong buy region. Okay, so that you know when it's an opportunity. Like this is a strong sell now. Okay, this is a strong support and resistance level right here, so you know when to buy. Okay, you know when to buy and you know when to sell. So once you see it like this, you take, and you can also use this only this awesome oscillator to determine your entry too. Okay, once you see it touches like this, you wait for the crossing to happen, and then you go in for your buy. Okay, so we just need all this. The reason why I add it like this is so that you'll be sure of your entry. Okay, you need the perfect confirmation of the main chart, the same thing happening on the indicator window. You need to be sure, guys. That's why we add all those indicators for you, so that you get a better confirmation of what you are doing in the market before you take in any entry. Okay, so that is it, guys. That is how this strategy works. As you can see, it's a powerful strategy. It's a good one. You're going to make a lot of money with this strategy, guys. A lot of money with this strategy. Okay, so just test it out for yourself. Practice with it for like, let's say 1 week, 2 weeks, and then once you see it's going well for you, you can put your real money and then trade with it, and then you are good to go, guys. You are good to go. Don't just take my words for it. Practice it with your demo account first, then you can trade live. Okay, so that's it with that out of the way now. If you have watched to this stage and you have not yet hit that like button or subscribe yet, guys, that's not good. Please do me a favor and go subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and then hit the like button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately, guys. So that's it. So now I'm just going to like share with you guys the settings. Okay, I'm going to share with you guys the settings of this strategy. Now our first thing to do is to click on this F icon right here. After clicking on the F icon, as you can see over here, we have 2 moving average, the awesome oscillator, and then the relative strength index. Okay, so I'm just going to delete everything now and start afresh so that you know how I did it. Okay, you won't be confused. Okay, so let me just delete it and be fast about that. As you can see, this is our chart right now, nothing anymore. So you click on the F icon, you click on this F icon right here. After clicking on the F icon, we search for our moving average. This is it right here. You click on the moving average. As you can see, it's already set. Okay, so I don't want to waste much time anymore. So this is the first one you are going to add, the 5 moving average. Okay, the period is 5. Shift zeros, method simple, apply to close. Under the star we have 3 pixels, the color is green. Okay, you just click on done. After setting everything like that, okay, you go back, you see it has been added to our screen. And then you click on the F icon again, click on this F icon again also, you search for moving average again. Okay, you click on it. Now we are going to be changing this period here to 30. Okay, change it to 30. Okay, you go back. After changing it to 30, you make this color blue. Okay, make the color blue, and then after that, this is very important, guys, don't forget this. Under the apply to right here, you are going to do some adjustments. Okay, you can see you go to the last one. This is which is this one right here, previous indicators data. Okay, then you click on it. Okay, after that you click on done, and then you have something like this on your screen. Okay, now after that we are done with the moving averages, right? Now for our indicator window 1, you click on this F icon again, you search for your awesome oscillator. This is it right here, you click on it. Okay, now we don't need to do anything here. Okay, so if you check the default setting, it's going to be like this. Here is 1 pixel. Okay, so we are going to only change this to 4 pixel, and then that is it, guys. That is just everything you need to do on the awesome oscillator. After that, you click on done. Okay, you don't need to change the colors. Okay, you just leave it like that. Then you click on done. You see it on your screen like this. Okay, now you can see we can also use it like this, but you won't know. Some of you will be confused whether it has gotten to the strong buy zone or the strong sell zone. You won't be able to confirm it very well, so we are going to need a level right here so that it will help us confirm it. Okay, that's where the relative strength index comes in. Okay, you click on the F icon again. Now you don't need to click on this one anymore. This is the new one you are going to be clicking on, okay, the F icon. Click on that one, and then you search for your relative strength index, okay, which is right over here. You click on it, and these are the settings for it, okay. The period, you are going to change the period to 1, apply to close. Under the style, we have 2 pixel. You make the color, you make the color of your background, guys, okay. Make sure you make it the color of your background. If you are using a white background like me, you make it white. If you are using a black background, you make it black, okay. After that, you click on this right here under the level, click on it, and then you change your settings to, let me just delete it and do it again so that you see it, okay. Now you come here, you click on this F icon to add this thing for you. Then after that, you make here 85, and then you make this place 15, okay. Then here you make it 2 pixel, you make the color black, okay. After that, you go back, and then you click on done. See, the relative strength index has been added, okay. Now you can see our level is now showing, okay. Now you know that you are in the overbought level right here, and then you can see when you know when you get to the oversold level, so that you'll be able to have strong confirmation of when to buy and when to sell, okay. So that is it, guys. That is how the strategy work. That is it. So thank you for watching till this time. I'm really grateful. So make sure you practice with this strategy very well before you trade with your real money. Don't just take my words for it. So I'm just going to be ending the video right here now. Bye, guys. Hope I'm not forgetting anything. Okay, let me check very well. Hope I'm not forgetting anything. Alright, guys, that's it. I'll be drawing the curtain right here now. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, guys. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you click on the notification bell to get notified immediately whenever I post powerful strategy like this. Good luck, guys. Silver out.